For today's project, I'm gonna switch out the exhaust. I have the new one in here. I've had it for a while now. I just didn't have time to put it on. Or I just like the look of the exhaust like that. From what it looks like, it's probably just this bolt right here. This, you might have to take off this, the cover for the exhaust, just to get to this bolt. And then these right here, these two. Here's a size comparison of the new one and the old one. This one is definitely bigger diameter. This one is pretty skinny. This one has a thicker one. I got everything put back together, but what I was having trouble was trying to get this thing to stay up, the exhaust. But I had a lot of extra springs, so I just used this as a mount and mounted it back here, right here, and it's pretty stable. But let me give you guys what it sounds like. That's what it looks like with the exhaust after. And this is what it sounds like